Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce our newest product. On my right hand is a countertop styling, the griddles. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the units will be about like a 24 inches wide. And the overall depth about like a 28.5 inches. And the overall heights, they are about like a 15 inches tall. So the unit is designed with the two individual burners. So I have two switches right here. Small window for you to check the fire status inside. And top of the middles, they have a small hole for you to clean all the dust from the grills. And you can put it right here through the drawer. And we can take it out to clean all the dirt things inside. And also let me give you the dimensions for the cooking area. For this cooking pan, they are almost like a 2 feet 24 inches wide. And they're about like a 20.5 inches deep. The thickness of the griddle pans is about like a 3 4 inches. And on the side of the units, we do have the sanitation stickers on it and the manufacturer informations. And also behind of the units, we do have a gas connection pads. For the small things, they are about like a 2.5 inches long. And from the manufacturers, they give you the accessories, the regulators. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.